Hello guys, welcome to the channel. The today topic is railway budget and questions on railway budget. The railway budget before independence is the first. We can discuss railway budget before independence now. The railway budget is recommended by Arcode Committee in 1920 and 21. The committee consists of 10 members. 3 on there were Indians. He is the railway economics for Britishers. Railway budget and general budget is prepared and presented separately till 2016, the railway budget in independent India. The first finance minister R.K. Shanmugam presented the first railway budget in independent India on 26th November 1947. He is not a railway minister, he is the first finance minister to present a railway budget in parliament. The first railway budget telecasted on 1924 by C.K. Jafar Sai. Mamata Banerjee is the first railway female minister to present the railway budget in Indian Parliament. She is also the person to present railway budget in both governments, NDA and UPA. Lalu Prasad Yadav present the railway budget 6 times in a year from 2004 to 2009. The last separate budget presented by Mr. Suresh Prabhu on 2016. He is the last person to present the separate railway budget in the Indian Parliament. Railway budget on 2021. The Union budget 2021 give very important to railway budget and its development. 1.1 lakh crores allotted for Indian Railways. 1.01 lakh crores allotted for capital expenditure. Indian Railways also proposed the National Rail Policy for India 2013. In this policy, we can realistically cast the industries at core of strategy to enable Make in India concept. And also, this budget give the huge fund to foreign corridors. Eastern and western corridors were completed within 2022 June. They also proposed the various foreign corridors.